Adding a few plants in your house is always great. Not only it is good for sustenance, it makes you more responsible too. The presence of plants in home gives it a natural and soothing feel. However, having plants means much more than growing them. You have to take care of them and follow the procedures for growing them thoroughly. If you're a new gardener and need guidance on how and what to grow at your home, here are the 5 apps you need to explore. 5 gardening apps. Leaf Snap app. Have you ever seen a beautiful plant and wondered what it's called? Most of the times you do not get a correct identification if the plant is rare. Leaf Snap identifies plants with an accuracy of 90%. You just have to upload the picture of the leaf and the app will give you a list of possible matches. Leaf Snap also provides data on how to grow a particular plant. It also shows how much light and water it needs. This app can be downloaded on Play Store and Apple Store for free with in-app purchases available. Garden Tags. Garden Tags app is the ultimate all-in-one app that helps you with the art of growing with ease. It is like social media for gardeners. You can get planting inspiration, advice, identification and management tips here. You can also join in discussions, ask questions, share your own gardening tips and tricks. Garden Tags is a great way to connect with other gardeners worldwide. This app is available for free with in-app purchases. iNaturalist. iNaturalist is a joint initiative by the California Academy of Sciences and the National Geographic Society. This app helps you identify plants, animals, birds, and insects. Through this app, you can get connected with more than 40,000 naturalists from whom you can learn. You can also record and share your observations too. Through this, you will be able to create valuable data for scientific purposes. With an average rating of 4.5, you can download iNaturalist on Play Store or Apple Store. Gardenize. The Gardenize app helps you plan and manage your garden. You can also organize and create an overview of everything you've planted. You can track your plants, add notes, photos, and set reminders. It also has a built-in planting calendar. Through this calendar, you can see the best time to plant. You can store everything in one place and create an organized index feed of your plants. This app is perfect for beginners as well as experts. It also provides you with a plant database. You can add plants directly from this database with pre-filled care advice and other useful information. Gardenize app is available for free on iOS and Android with in-app purchases. Planter. Planter is your perfect garden planner. Through this app, you can arrange your garden and learn how to grow vegetables. You can begin with choosing the area and adding the plants. Once the plant is selected, this app provides you with all the information regarding it. This information includes details such as the depth of seeding, duration of harvest, water quantity, etc. It is available for free in iOS and Android. These apps are the best guides for you to start gardening right away. For more such content, follow this space.